Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a summer scene where we are going to make things related to summer: ice cream, juices, watermelon, mango, etc. We'll start by making the watermelon. Here we are making a semicircle type of shape. You can also make this shape using a protractor. Then we will make another curve inside it for the green part, and then we will make drop shapes for the seeds. Next, we are going to make a juice glass. One sleeping line and two slanting lines coming from it to give it a glass shape. Next, we are going to make a straw, a thin straw. We will take it down. I wanted to show that my glass is transparent, so I've not erased the extra line, but you may if you like. Next, to show that there is liquid, we are making these small dashes. Then a lemon in the corner. The lemon is inside, so we won't be able to see a quarter of it. We will double our circle. Then make 3 parts inside it and one is hidden. Next, we are making an ice cream. So here I am making a cornetto, a cone shape, making some lines on the straw to show the spiral structure. For the cone, we are going to make slanting lines from both sides. A curve semicircle shape, a cherry, and then an icing. Next, we are going to make a mango, a big curve, becoming small as it goes down. I'll make a few corrections to my mango. Next, we are making a small stem and long leaf. You must have seen that mangoes have long leaves. The veins, next we are going to make a sun in the center at the top. For this we will make a circle and then sun rays. One small, one big, one small, one big. That pattern. Also, for making the rays, you can also use triangles. We will continue this pattern till we reach the same place. So we started. Next, I'm making my son wear sunglasses because it is very hot outside. A smile. He's watching all these treats. Next, my drawing seemed empty, so here I'm adding a sand castle because beach is related to summer. Simple, 2 slanting lines and then 3 square structures. Two popsicle shaped windows and a triangular flag. like we see in most sand castles. Next, I am making a beach ball using a big button. You can use any other circular item, maybe a bottle cap. You may also make it freehand or use a compass. Next, we are making a semicircle and 3 curved lines going from it. You can color the 3 parts, maybe blue, green and red, the top semicircle yellow. And that is all for today's drawing. Thanks for watching.